Everyone has been talking about YouTube Shorts lately, yet no one has revealed an exact strategy on how to generate money from them, even if you don't have a YouTube channel yet. Now, if you aren't sure what YouTube Shorts are, basically it's YouTube's version of TikTok or Instagram Reels, short 60-second videos that are meant to get tons of views and go mega viral. Now, I know you probably don't have all the time in the world to be sitting down filming YouTube Shorts, especially with Google AdSense revenue generated from them are pennies on the dollar. But I'm going to show you how to quickly come up with content for your personal channel or YouTube automation channel I own that are generating me over $250,000 per year without filming any videos or showing my face. Now, before we get into step number 1 out of 4, make sure to smash the thumbs up button to see if we can hit over 1,000 likes by the end of the week. So just tap that button below and let's get started. Now, step number 1 to making money from YouTube Shorts is to find a video that's going to go mega viral. So we're gonna do that right over here on YouTube. Now, you could find videos in the animal niche, the prank niche, funny cat videos, and that's kind of the one I'm gonna go with. Right here, as you can see, I searched cat dominoes, and this video right here has over 45 million views. Now, don't worry, we're not going to take this video and just re-upload it to the channel. We're actually going to find a clip in this video that we can use for shorts, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, you can choose any video you'd like. As you can see, 45 million views, 1.5 million views, 34 million views. This is really popular and funny niche to choose a short video. So we're going to choose this video right here. We're going to open up that video, and as you can see, the video's right here. I play it for you so you can see just a little bit. It's pretty funny that the cat's like knocking down the dominoes, and it's looking all around. But what we're gonna do is, we're gonna press the share button right here, and we're gonna grab this link. We're gonna copy that, and then, what we're gonna do is step number 2 is to download this video to our computer. So how are we gonna do that? Well, I like to go over to yd1s.com. This is a YouTube to MP4 downloader. You can find other ones on Google by searching YouTube to MP4 downloader, and now we're going to paste that link right here. And we're going to convert the video and download it to our computer. Okay, so now you have that video downloaded to your computer, and then we're gonna move on to step number 3, which is gonna be very easy. We're gonna go over here to Canva. And the reason why we are on Canva is because we have to make that video into a vertical shorts, a mobile type video. Okay, so how we're gonna do that is we're going to search mobile video here on canva.com. And it's going to take us to different templates, but we're just going to create a blank mobile video. So we're going to click on that, and that's going to bring us right over here. As you can see, I dragged in the video that I downloaded from my computer, so I dragged that in here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to expand this. Okay, so we're going to expand this video to make it fit into a mobile video. And we're going to leave these 2 white bars at the top. So I go ahead and do this, and center it perfect, and then, what I want to do is actually find a funny clip in the video. So, if we think that, 1 minute to 1 minute 15 seconds is the best part, right? We can go ahead and clip that. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this. We're going to press right here. You can click on that, and then you could go ahead and, drag these over to 15 seconds. Okay, so you could do that, and then press done. Now we have this 15-second clip for our shorts. Okay, now what we're going to do is add text to this, video right here. So I'm gonna click on this one. This is free. Alright, and we are going to go ahead and drag this up here, and we can type in or click the link, or link in description. We'll put link in description. Okay, and that's our call to action for the monetization step that I'm going to show you on step number 4. Okay, so link in description. We can make it a little bit smaller, alright. And the reason why we're going to make it smaller, I'm going to show you what also we're going to add in here. Okay, so we'll center that. Okay, so what we will do is duplicate this by pressing this, and we'll go ahead and add that to the bottom as well. Okay, so I'm gonna get that, there we go. And then I'm gonna type in the same thing, link in description. Alright, and then we'll make this smaller, and we'll drag that over here, alright. And then the last thing we're going to do is add an arrow to this. So we're going to add an arrow, so we can go ahead and grab a free one. This one's free. We could rotate it, and we could put an arrow showing people that the link is down below. we could even change the color to red. Alright, and I will go ahead and do this. Okay, so we can go ahead and do that. Shrink that down. Perfect, now we have our video 15 seconds long ready for shorts to go viral. And we could download it to our computer very easily, so we're going to download that to our computer. And then, what we're going to do is step number 3. We have to upload the video to our channel. As you can see, we uploaded the video to our channel, and now what I want you to do is, we have to optimize this video to go viral with SEO, which is search engine optimization for YouTube. Okay, so what we have to do, we could put funny cat with dominoes, and then you have to put hashtag on shorts, so that YouTube knows that this is a short video in the description. You can just copy and paste this. Okay, and you're going to want to make sure hashtag shorts is in the description, and a thumbnail you don't have to worry about, it will upload one for you from the video. And then, what you're going to do is scroll down and put in the hashtag in shorts. Okay, and then we could go ahead, but before we upload we have to monetize. And I'm going to show you exactly how to monetize without Google AdSense. We're going to come over here to teespraying.com. This is where we could create print-on-demand merchandise. So, if someone clicks the link and buys the merchandise, Teespring is going to print it on the t-shirt or whatever we're making and ship it out to the customer and give us 50 to 60% of that sales, so we don't have to fulfill the order. And we don't have to buy t-shirts or create anything. This is a print-on-demand service. That will do it for you for taking a portion of the revenue. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna press start designing. And as you can see, we can choose our product. We can create whatever product we like. It's a men's tee, maybe a women's hoodie, or a face mask, which I like this one and it's fitting for the times. We could go ahead and click this all, and start designing a mask now. You're probably wondering, well, what are we going to actually print on that mask? What we're going to do is we're going to grab a photo from pxels.com. This is a non-copyright stock footage website, where you can grab non-copyright images for free, and you can use them. You're free to sell them, and we're gonna choose whatever one we like. Now I like this one right here. This is pretty funny, kind of fitting for the cats and the dominoes. This one's funny as well. The cat is putting his head through a piece of bread. I think that's pretty funny, so we could download this and then upload it to our Teespring launcher. Alright, and as you can see, I created a mask with this nice little cat. Right here, it's super funny, and now we're ready to go and we can sell this for $14.99. That's what it says. The profit for us will be $7.49 per face mask. So that's a pretty good profit, especially if we're getting hundreds of 1,000s if not millions of views. So what we're gonna do is, now grab our link to this product, and we're going to go ahead and add it to the description. So funny meme mask, and then we could go ahead and paste it there. Now we have a shorts video that's going to, and it even has a monetization method, so people can click the link and buy a funny meme cat face mask. So this is exactly how we're gonna start profiting off of YouTube Shorts. Now there's an even better way to profit off of YouTube Shorts, like I talked about at the beginning of the video. And if you click the link below, you're gonna see exactly how I'm generating over $250,000. So make sure to subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated, and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below.